The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. Change your thoughts to change your destiny. The noble and great thoughts that you are accustomed to thinking become great deeds. Belief in something is the mainstay of its achievement. If you believe in the healing power inherent in a certain type of water, you will get results because of the power of assumption and suggestion that has entered your subconscious mind. Your thought is the action and your subconscious mind's response to it is the reaction. You have to watch your thoughts. Ideas can be transferred to the subconscious by repetition, trust and anticipation. The book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, is one of the most powerful books written in the field of human development. Knowing the power that exists in his mind. The book was written by the Irish author Joseph Murphy, and during this article we accompany you on a journey to discover the power of the subconscious mind and what it can achieve of miracles and great changes in your life. As follows, a quick glimpse of the author of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. The author of the book The Power of Your Subconscious Mind is the great writer Joseph Murphy, who was born in Ireland in the year 1898, specifically in a county called Cork, on the outskirts of Ireland. He taught him and traveled to the United States of America, and he only has $5. He loved writing and reading, especially in the field of personal development and self-discovery, and Murphy wrote more than 30 books, most of them revolving around human development for himself, which made him one of the scholars of human development, and Murphy died in the year 1981, and despite this still his books are still translated into many languages and generate the highest revenue in the world. The idea of the book The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. The book The Power of Your Subconscious Mind is the most important book in the science of human development, and is considered the greatest book in its history. The main idea of the book is based on a journey that takes us to the depths of the personality and the subconscious mind by discussing 20 issues related to the human mind, and these issues are: the first issue, how to discover the treasures that exist within the human being. The second issue, how the mind works. The third issue, the subconscious mind can work miracles. The fourth issue, the mind is capable of healing the body from any disease, and a review of this concept through the ages. The fifth issue, how can the mind heal the body? The sixth issue, the correct way in which the mind can heal the body. The seventh issue, what most loves life in a person is the subconscious mind. Issue 8, how you can get everything you want. Issue 9, make a fortune using the power of your subconscious mind. The 10th case, every person has the right to live rich. The 11th issue, one of the first partners in success is the subconscious mind. The 12th issue, scientists who use the subconscious mind in the success of their experiments. The 13th issue, the oddities of sleep and the subconscious mind. The 14th issue, the subconscious mind solves marital problems. The 15th issue, the role played by the awakening mind in achieving happiness. The 16th issue, the role of the subconscious mind in achieving harmony in human relations. Issue 17, how to make your subconscious mind help you forgive. The 18th issue, the role of the subconscious in removing any mental obstacles. Issue 19, the subconscious mind is used to remove human fears. Issue 20, the surest way to live young to the end of your life. This is how the book deals with these 20 issues by emphasizing only one meaning, that the mind has a power that can be used and benefited from. So the writer says in one of the lines of his book, you have to start now to cultivate thoughts of happiness, peace, contentment and correct behavior. Think calmly and take care of yourself, and teach the conscious mind to accept these concepts and deliver them to you, and if you do that, make sure that the harvest will be in your life and body. The author compared man to a gardener, and the mind is the gardener. The more you plant something positive inside your mind, it will reflect on your entire life.